Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to check battery health using CMD. Okay, so first guys click to start, type CMD and then right click to run as administrator. Okay, after that type this command Powercfg spaceless battery report and then hit enter. So after that you can see battery life in this path has save on this application, this location: C drive, system32 and battery. Okay, so click to open the file explorer and then click to C drive. Open the C drive and then click to Windows, C drive, Windows. After that find out system32, so you have to press S. So system32, open it and then battery report.html. Okay, so press B. Otherwise you can search here. This is battery report. Okay, this one, and you have to double click to open it. After that it will come like this. Then scroll down. After that scroll down and then come battery capacity history. Okay, so this is one calculations help to find out your percentage of your battery. Then guys, final calculations, click to start, open the calculator. So you can calculate in your phone also. So right now this is latest one, 2626296. okay, on 32224. So this is destined design capacity, okay, into 100. After that it will come 81%. So this is your battery percentage is 81. So 81 means this is very good. Okay, and above 91 this is excellent. Under 80 to 89 it's good. 70 to 71 it is negotiable, and below 70 specific degradations and you're getting the issues. Okay, so this you can take to percentage. Okay, this and multiply 100. Okay, after that it will come. Thank you.